That was a good one. $50 for a quick Aldi run. I ain't got no complaints about that one. 45 minutes. Let's go. Let's keep it going. $100 batch. I'm going to call a fourth. $100 batch. $100 batch. $100 batch. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, what's that? What's that? That's good enough. What's that? Come on. What is it doing? Why is it always moving slow like this? Every time there's a good batch, come on, like I'm stuck in slow-mo. Come on. What is going on? Tap, 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 tap. Open up. Come on, open, tap, 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 tap. That's got to be me. That's got to be. What is going on? What? Swipe, 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 swipe. Did I get it? I had to get it. That's me all day. I got it. Let's go. What? What is going? Oh my goodness. Come on. Instacart, you got to do better than this. What is going on? Oh my goodness. No, I got to get back to it. It must be a glitch. It must be a glitch. This new app update is killing me. It must be a glitch. I got to go back. What is going? Why is it moving like this? Come on. Nah, that's me. It still got to be there. I know it is. If not, then $100 batch, $100 batch, $100 batch. Come on. Where is it? There it go. That's me all day. Tap, swipe. Are you serious? Yeah, that's wrong, man. I'm going home. Hey, guess what? We're giving away $100 every other week on this channel. If you want to be a part of the movement, then like, comment, and subscribe below.